This video is going to go over mobile checkout, which is honestly something that I didn't think that I was going to utilize, but when you're standing in a lineup and your feet hurt and the line hasn't moved in 5 minutes, you gotta do it. Most of these videos are of Walt Disney World, but the feature works exactly the same at Disneyland. So you go into the app and click merchandise checkout, and then you click the store you're in, and I was in Epcot this day, and then it walks you through the instructions, so that's nice. You scan all your items in, super easy. And then you can push checkout when you're ready. So for this purchase, I was paying with Disney gift card, and for some reason the scan barcode wasn't working, so I had to manually enter the number. If you have Disney gift cards, you can combine them all on the Disney gift card website, and then you can have 1 or 2 gift cards. And if you save the number in your phone, like in a notes, you can easily pull it up that way. So I didn't have enough money on this gift card, so I paid some with gift card and some with my MasterCard. Once you finish checking out, you'll get a QR code like this, and you'll just show this to somebody near the doors. They're really easy to spot. There's signs everywhere. Here's the stand I went to on the day of the purchase, but here are some other examples of pictures I found online of ones that are in Disneyland. The only difference is there will be a person at the stand.